we're making stuffed bell peppers. These are the ingredients you're going to need. You're going to need 2 different kinds of cheeses. You could do mozzarella or Parmesan. I'm going to mix both today. Spinach. This is just going to be a side. It's going to be tater tots. They're frozen, so it's easier. We're doing, we need rice. You can use any kind of rice, but we're doing long grain and wild rice. You need 1 onion, however many bell peppers you're feeding. So we have 4 people that are eating, so we have 4 bell peppers. We need some mixed vegetables. I'm doing corn, peas, and carrots. I also have shredded carrots because I need to use those up. Mushrooms. You need some minced garlic. You can either mince it yourself or you can just do it easier like this. Some olives, again, sliced olive, it makes your life easier. And then turkey, ground turkey. We're also going to make this vegetarian, so if you don't want ground turkey, you could just substitute that out with something else or not have it at all. Turkey. I kind of let it sit here to let just the juice sit. I have my rice cooked. I have my vegetables prepped and cooked all in this bowl, so I can just easily transfer everything over. If you come over here, please. I also have my bell peppers. They were in there 5 minutes. They're softened. They're actually really nice. So they're softened, and then I have, one thing I forgot to mention was my tomato sauce. You need that. But yeah, I have everything prepped. I'm just waiting for this turkey to cook, and then we can start putting this in the oven.